Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The introduction of the 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome marks a daring entry into the premium recreational vehicle market by capitalizing on the strong heritage and distinctive design aesthetic of the Hummer brand. Although it has not yet been formally introduced in its final form, this vehicle can be thought of as a smooth combination of powerful off-road prowess with luxurious residential amenities, appealing to a selective customer looking for adventure without sacrificing luxury. The aggressive and geometrically intimidating style that has long been associated with the Hummer brand is expected to be carried over into the external design of the 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome. The vehicle is supposed to convey an image of unwavering strength and all-terrain competence thanks to its sharp angles, wide, commanding posture, and significant ground clearance. The elegant features of a high-end motorhome would be incorporated into this tough structure, possibly including flush-mounted panoramic windows with wide-ranging views, smoothly integrated slide-out sections to increase the living area, and advanced exterior lighting systems that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The vehicle's ability to endure harsh climatic conditions would be highlighted by the use of sturdy, premium materials in the body design. Under its tough exterior, the 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome would probably include a strong and cutting-edge drivetrain, maybe utilizing GM's most recent developments in electric vehicle technology. Considering the Hummer's recent comeback as an all-electric car, this would result in a great deal of torque for negotiating difficult terrain, a long driving range to enable longer trips, and a smooth and quiet driving experience. With cutting-edge suspension systems that can handle the humps of various terrains, the chassis would be designed to offer a solid yet comfortable ride. The 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome's interior is intended to be a haven of opulence and cutting-edge technology. The living areas would be defined by high-end materials including soft leather upholstery, finely crafted wood veneers, and premium metal accents. Spaciousness and functionality would be given top priority in the design, which can include a gourmet kitchen completely furnished with cutting-edge appliances, an opulent bathroom with premium fixtures, and a cozy sleeping space intended for peaceful relaxation. With the use of user-friendly interfaces, integrated smart home technology will probably regulate a number of living space elements, such as entertainment systems, security features, and climate management. The 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome would fill a distinct gap in the recreational vehicle market by appealing to people looking for a car that can go across difficult terrain while maintaining an unwavering level of luxury and independence. People who appreciate a bold and unique presence would be drawn to it because of its natural relationship with the Hummer brand. Its standing as a premium service would be further cemented by the incorporation of cutting-edge technology and upscale amenities. The notion of a 2025 Hummer Premium Motorhome offers an alluring blend of tough capability and elegant luxury, ready to upend the standards of upscale leisure travel, even though specifics are still up in the air.